If you want to move data from your USB flash drive to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, or the other way around, then in that case, once you connect your USB flash drive to your phone, then the next thing that you need to do is you need to go to the My Files app, which you should be able to find it somewhere in the app drawer. For example, in my case, it is over here. You might also be able to find it in the Samsung folder, in case you don't find it elsewhere. Now, over here in the My Files app, we can of course go through storages, and also we have categories which we can use as well. So let's say if I go to images, over here I have some images that I have on my phone. If I want to transfer some of these files to my USB flash drive, I can, for example, press and hold my finger to select the first file that I want to transfer, and let's say I'm going to choose a couple of them, and maybe this one over here. And next I want to tap on move, so we're going to tap on move here at the bottom. Next, at the top, we can choose the destination storage, so where those files should be transferred. So since I'm transferring from the internal storage, now I want to move it to the USB storage, I'm going to choose USB storage over here, and then I need to choose where exactly these files should be saved. So let's say I'm going to choose this DCAM folder over here, and I'm going to confirm that I want to move over there. There we go, the move is complete. You can also open it in the folder straight away, or you can just go back and open the storage and try to find your files over here just like that. Now let me also double check if we can find USB storage files using these categories, and no. So if you use these categories, you will find only files that you have on your phone. And if you're looking for files that you have on your USB flash drive, then of course you need to open the USB storage and you need to find all your files somewhere over here. Now, if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone, then naturally you have to go to the USB storage and find those files, and then you have to do pretty much the same thing. So select all your files that you wanted to transfer, then choose move. Of course, this time we want to choose the internal storage instead, since the internal storage is the Galaxy Z Flip 8 storage, and then here decide where we want to save our files that we have selected. So let's say I'm just going to move it over here to this folder, and there we go. Now it is done. And instead of using categories, you can also go to the internal storage instead, and you can find files in here. However, you might see that you may not have all folders available here on this list. So in that case, you need to tap on Essentials and switch to All. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.